ayaw itackle ng House of Representatives o ng Senado ang political dynasty kasi political dynasty sila malamang sa malamang. Nagis pa ng kampo ng mga Tulfo regarding the political dynasty tag na inilalagay sa kanila where they said, let the people decide.
I don't think so. I'll leave it up to the people. Kasi kung gusto ka ng tao, iboboto ka nila. Kung ayaw ka nila, isip nila, dynasty to, ang dami naman, walang ginagawa. Ito sabihin ko, mga taong bayan, kung ayaw niyo mga kapatid ko, please don't vote for them. Pero kung gusto niyo sila, dahil sa tingin niyo, makapagsilbi sila ng maayos, then go ahead, kayo na mag-decide.
Hi sir, good afternoon po. Sir, sorry, the elephant in the room po is that there are comments po that there will be political dynasty po because Sir Ben is also running po, you're also running, and Senator Raffy po is currently at the Senate. Sir, any comments on the political dynasty?
Well, as long as there's no law yet, then we let the people decide. Di po ba? Kung ngayon, kung may batas na ho, then we stop. Yung political dynasty, matagal na pong usapin ho yan eh. And I believe, hindi po titigil yan hanggang wala pong batas. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Kaya, ang tao ho will decide. For now, dahil wala po tayong batas, then let the people decide. Do we want 1 Tulfo, 2 Tulfos, 3 Tulfos? Do we want them? 1 Duterte, 2 Duterte, 3 Dutertes, 1 Marcos, 2 Marcos, 3 Marcos? LGUs, maraming ganyan. So, we let the people decide. Nasa kapangyarihan po ng tao. Kung gusto po nila si Raffy lang, fine. Walang problema. Gusto nila yung dalawa, fine. Gusto nila 3 Tulfo sa Senado, nasa tao po yun eh. Because we don't have a law. If there's a law, then that's it. Matitigil po yan.
Sir, just a follow-up question, sir, and last from me. Don't you think, sir, parang prone po siya sa abuse